Hey guys, James here, back with another video, and I have this today for you. So this is the TP-Link AC1750 wireless dual gigabit ceiling mount access point. Essentially, it's just a wireless access point. The actual model number is here. It's an EAP245, and it is a business solution. So you would have seen me unbox a small, like a lesser version of this one, the TP-Link with the 3 antennas, and it's the same thing. However, this one is the business solution, therefore it's able to handle more bandwidth, more people accessing the access point essentially. So the reason I chose this is because my church, we're needing to put some wireless access points around, and that we have this one kind of meeting room, and a lot of people just need to connect to the Wi-Fi there. So I figured that, you know, I want to have a stable connection where at least 15-20 people can connect to it without having any issues. The other one might struggle, so that's the reason behind this. But let's just get into it. It's going to be an unboxing, probably not going to be a setup video. Just want to see what's in the box because I couldn't find any of them online. So I figured I might as well do one myself. You can just pause that and read some of this stuff, but you can essentially manage a few different access points with this one, which is pretty cool. Yeah, so this is the one that's really going to try to come up against the Ubiquiti access points. It is actually a little bit more expensive than the cheapest Ubiquiti, but I think the performance is much better. Okay, let's just unbox everything and then we can put this aside. All right, so we have a limited warranty guide, limited warranty form, technical support. So if you do require technical support, they have the different countries on here and who to contact. Asia Pacific, Australia, obviously. That is where I live. So I'll be using that if I need technical support. We have this kind of pamphlet. So it's a software managed solution, so you can actually, manage this through software. So it's only for the ceiling mount access points, as you can see. So I might have to set up a different kind of software just for this access point. We just didn't have the budget to get these access points all around the church because it was like half the price. So yeah, it's just for that particular room that I needed that. Quick installation guide, might as well just open this up. So stuff about LED indicators, the interface panel. This is how you have a typical network topology. So you have your internet, then your router, and then your switch, which I do have. A TP-Link 16 gigabit switch, and then a network patch, a patch panel. And then, going through there. It isn't going to be PoE, just because I can't, the distance won't be able to work with that. And then you have your wireless clients, which is cool. So managed hosts, so we'll see how that works. And then you have your hardware installation, so ceiling mount, wall mount. So we'll be doing wall mount actually, we don't have ceiling mount. You can do via PoE or just a power adapter, which is what we'll be doing. Software configuration. And these are the different details for each of the things. So for example, wall mounting, ceiling mounting, it just depends how you wanted to do it, really. You've got your various bits and bobs for your ceiling mount. So we'll be using this as the wall mount for brick, which is very, very crucial. Now to the actual product itself. Comes in this plastic bag. So yeah, you can see here, I'm just blocking out some details. Default access is admin pass and admin. And then you, just set up through the network configuration. We also have the mount, which is plastic. Essentially, if you follow the instructions and you know how to mount it, you should be able to get it to the right spot like so, and then twist it in, and there you go. So this is upright, and then you just twist the actual thing like this. So I'll do it one more time. I'll show you for the back. So this is the back, right? This is upright, and then you just line the things up and then twist it in to lock it into place. So this is what I'll be doing. At the back, you can see you got a Kensington lock, you got an Ethernet, it's gigabit, you have a reset switch as well as a power adapter, so a power socket. like so. You have these kind of rubber kind of corners on the side. I'm not sure what they're for, because yeah, it's a bit strange. And then you have yeah, venting on all three sides, except the back port. Obviously, it is all plastic, but you know, hey, it works. So just to recap again, in terms of the actual hardware stuff. So this is essentially what it comes with: your power adapter, your actual access point, your different mounts for ceiling slash you know, office tiles, as well as your quick installation guide. So just been a quick video, just wanted to show you what's inside it. I may do installation video, maybe, depends. We'll see how I go. But this will be installed into my church sometime soon. So maybe I'll give you a quick tour of that when I you know, get everything else installed, because I can do a quick tour of the gigabit switch as well as the other access points which I've installed as well. So maybe that will help you out. So yeah, give a thumbs up or a comment if you want to see that video. But yeah, hope you like this video. Like it if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or any comments about this particular product or anything else. Subscribe to see more videos like this in the future, and I will see you guys in the next one.